Good morning, guys. Dave Santarelli here from Santarelli Trading Exchange and BreakingChartAlerts.com. It's 9:33, 3 minutes into the trading day here on Tuesday. I hope every one of you had a great President's Day weekend. I spent some time with my daughter, got some things done at the house. And right now we're seeing our Microsoft trades up to 20%. We have the Microsoft February 28th 185 strike calls. They're up over 22% right now, 24% and climbing. We're up $700 on the Microsoft trade we just made. Nice way to start the week. Overall, we're up about $300 here. The Visa trades down a little bit. That was just up significantly on the open. Square's up a little bit this morning. Nvidia pretty flat. Microsoft, like I said, is up nicely. Groupon's getting a little pop this morning. Walmart came out with earnings. Take a look. Let's take a look at the charts here. I want to share with you. First off, guys, big move on space. A lot of news on space. This one reached up to almost 33. It was over $33 actually this morning. I'm going to be looking for another entry into the space trade here. I want to make another trade on this. I really think we could see a Tesla type of move on space here and get up to $100 a share pretty quick, especially with the volume coming in. There's a lot of volume coming in here with space. And just look at the nice consolidation, breakouts, consolidation, and then look at the size of these candles here on space. This is telling you, if we go to the volume here, you're going to see a big increase in the volume. And as you can see, over 40 million shares were bought on Valentine's Day, February 14th alone, and that's what caused that big spike here. So I think we're still going to see some funds starting to add to this position. Adding to space for the long term here. I think that's a great entry, and its chart's looking phenomenal here. So I'm going to keep our eyes on space. I want to make another space trade. Let's see here. Ulta's in consolidation. Take a look at Ulta right here. You can see we had a nice breakout, and it's been coming back down to that 20-day simple moving average, the blue 20-day SMA on the daily chart here. So it's been coming down to the 20, breaking out, consolidating, breaking out again. So we're going to be watching for that with Ulta. That next candle that we have that breaks $300, I'm going to be entering, and we're going to be having a price target of 320 to 340. So we need a candle above 300 on Ulta, and that's going to be our buying opportunity right there. So keep that in mind, put that on your watch list, and we'll be looking for that. Next off, Microsoft. Let's take a look at Microsoft here. Microsoft, as you can see, look at how well it's been climbing off that 10-day simple moving average. It's coming back down to that 10, climbing again now. So what do I expect Microsoft? I think we could see Microsoft at 190 as long as the markets hold up this week. The big concern this week is that coronavirus. There's over, I think, 80,000 confirmed cases now of the coronavirus. And the amount in the United States just doubled. I think that's why we're seeing a little bit pullback here in the markets. I mean, Dow's only down about 100 points. NASDAQ's down about 27. S&P's down 8.72. So not too much of a pullback here, but we are seeing one. So just going to keep that in mind. Let's take a look at Visa quick. See what we're going to do with our Visa trade. We have the March 20th 210 strike call. And let's take a look here. 1020 cross, looking good. It got up to resistance though. Take a look at that, how perfect that's acting with resistance right there. Getting right up to the target resistance at 210 and then pulling back a little bit. Visa looks good. Even if it pulls back to 208, it could drop another $1.30 and I'm fine with that. I'm waiting for it to break through this resistance, because once it does break that resistance, I think we could go to 220, even 250 possibly pretty quick. So Visa, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for it to break resistance here. And then if we were going to stop or pull it, I'd probably pull it at a close below 205. I don't think that's going to happen though. Alrighty, let's see here. What else do we want to go over? Let's see Nvidia. We have the 295-300 vertical bull call spread, and as you can see right now, look at this. Nvidia's climbing. If we take a look at today 1 minute chart, take a look at that breakout on Nvidia right now. This is looking like a nice opportunity to jump in here. So if we zoom out, it had the lows of the day here, right at the 9:30, 9:31 a.m. candles.
Apple White House trade advisor Navarro says Apple is not representative of coronavirus risk to the U.S. economy. It is more dependent on China than most U.S. companies, that in a CNN
So they're saying the White House just came out and said Apple's more into they were just saying though that Apple there, they have more exposure to China there than most other companies. So they're saying that's why they have that. Take a look at the Qs here. This chart. This is a 1-year chart of the Qs. It follows our trade plan so perfectly too, doesn't it? The Qs here, swing chart. I mean, that's just a beautiful chart right there. You have our breakout momentum, breakdown momentum, and it just looks great. We're in consolidation now on the Qs. I was just looking at that on the other side of the computer here, so I just wanted to bring that up. Now, NVIDIA is holding that 10. See how well it's holding above that 10-day simple moving average? So now what we want to see is a candle above 289. If we could get a candle above 289, I would look to enter for NVIDIA, maybe do something like this week's Expo. But until it breaks that 289, just sitting, waiting, and watching. Let's see. Zamboni says WWE is running good this morning. So there goes Space again, guys. Look at Space taking a run. Look at Space, how it came back down to that 10, and now it's climbing again. Trump talking, Trump speaking or tweeting. Something's going on with him. All right, look at Visa now. Visa was just now Visa is taking off here. Look at Visa. She just got down to 209.36. She just climbed a buck there in 2 minutes. Visa's looking good. I would add to Visa. Square's looking good. NVIDIA's looking fine. Microsoft's looking good. Just got to give the markets a little bit of time here to see what they want to do.
President Trump says he wants China to buy
Tesla's up another 5% today, 41 bucks. 840. There goes Space climbing again, 32.50. Visa's continuing to climb there on the today 1 minute. There goes Visa. That's looking nice. See how it's breaking that resistance there. Now up $400 for the day, so it's a slow start. Up $500 now. Visa, Square's taking off. Microsoft's climbing again, back up to 18%, 19%. Groupon's on the climb here. Let me put Groupon on the top one here. Let's see, links. Let's see, GRPN. Now I'm up $700 for the day. Visa's really taking off here, guys.
SCYX and X is spiking to the high.
Groupon is looking phenomenal here. GRPN, take a look here. Let's change it to the today 1 minute chart. As you can see, Groupon's holding that 10. It's climbing. There she goes again. This is something you can play weekly, monthly, and make a nice little quick profit on. Already up 1.94%. There she goes. More new highs of the day. There goes Visa as well. Up 900 now for the day. Microsoft trades back up over 20%. There goes Visa again, continuing to climb. Visa's near new highs of the day. Visa trade now up $300 for the day. Now up $1,000 unrealized for the day. Markets are continuing to climb, continuing to pop here. Groupon's climbing. Qs are climbing. Diamond ETF is climbing here. Diamond's just climbing above the 10-day on the today 1 minute chart. Getting up to that blue 20. Let's see if it breaks resistance. Resistance on Diamond's going to be right at 293.88. There goes Visa, continuing to run there, continuing to have a nice strong run here. Early here in the day, still up 800 now. Call sweeps coming in on Glue Mobile. How much are you up on that space trade today, Jay? Your biggest gainer. It's got to be close to 1,000% now.
No, it's it was like total since I bought it. It's what is it? 200 and no, that's the wrong one. Sorry. 448%.
448%. I thought you were going to be up much more than that. Or did you sell one of them?
Well, I sold.
Oh, you sold some of the first ones we got into? Are any of you guys still holding space? I need to get some coffee in my system. It was a long week and my body's not up to the high thrills here. There goes Square. Our Square trade is now green. We're now up 5% on our Square trade that we made last week. The March 20th 8250s are up 10%. There goes Groupon, continuing to climb off that 10-day SMA. Thank you. Back up over $1,000 now for the day. Eddie Santos says, hell yeah, for that space trade. Eddie, how much are you up on that space trade now? He must be up over 1,000%. He must be.
You were right, actually. In my other account here.
Oh, he just showed me he's up almost 1,400% on the space trade. That's amazing. Nice job, Jay. Now that's definitely your biggest gain you've ever had, right?
Effect on US.
I really think space is going to continue to run. Wow, we're now up $1,200 for the day, guys. There goes Visa, continuing to climb. We're up $300 unrealized on the day for Visa, 5.24%. Square's continuing to run, up $162.50, up 7.22% unrealized for the day. And we have our Microsoft trade up 18.56% unrealized, up 15.15% for the day, up $600 on that trade already, and we just made that trade. So if we wanted to, we could lock in profits today of about $1,000, but I think we're going to be adding. Let's see. Eddie Santos said he's up 1,600%. Where else are you going to get trades like that? Really? I just wish I held space when I first started calling it out, you know? Now's the time I should be doing the same thing. There goes Walmart taking out big candles here on Walmart. I might add to a Walmart trade here. Let's take a look at Walmart WMT. That's it today, 1 minute. We're breaking above the 1020 here. Let's take a look at the 3-month daily. Looking good. I think we could easily get back up to 120, 121. Do I want to jump in a Walmart trade? Karen Decker said she's long 800 shares on space. Karen, did you get in as soon as I said about it, or when did you get in? Bob said he's still long 1,600 space shares. There goes Walmart again, guys. I'm going to jump in Walmart here. This is an easy trade. I like that signal. WMT, let's see here. Cool. I'll get the March 20th monthly expo. We'll get something like an ATM. That's going for about $1.70. Okay. Alrighty, I just jumped in a small trade on Walmart for 2,400. We got the Walmart 120 strike calls for the March 20th, 2020 Expo. In at $1.65. Now $1.55 by $1.62, 63. That's for the March 20th. Let's see what the general market's doing. Diamond. I'd love to see this 1020 cross on Diamond here and start to climb and turn green for the day.
Iran says lack of funding has halted many oil projects.
Iran says lack of funding has halted many oil projects. There we go. Our Walmart trade's now up 5%. There she goes. She's running. There goes Walmart. Quick couple hundred. There goes Walmart. Wow, look at that. A quick $200 profit on Walmart already. For what, 15 seconds? 30 seconds? You get in that one, Jay?
No, it's too slow.
Look at how much I'm up. I'm up 10%. $250 on it already. Look at that. That's a nice trade right there.
Coming up at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, the NAHB Housing Market Index for February 75 is the consensus.
All right, I just sold Walmart. I locked in $200 quick. I couldn't help it. I just love doing those quick trades where you make $200 here, $200 there. You know, it's so simple. Take advantage of them. And that was actually nice timing. Market's pulling back here. Here comes Walmart pulling back.
AKAM, Akamai.
Nice.
Report from Apple Insider says Apple on Saturday finally announced Apple Edge Cash CDN. Apple is Akamai's largest customer.
Wow, Facebook's taking off. Facebook 217 almost. What did I say about this week for the 220? Look at that Facebook chart right there. That looks incredible. Remember when we had this pop right here on this candle right here on February 13th? I said, guys, look at that big pop off that 10-day right here. And that's when we got into that trade. And then we sold it on, I think, Friday, took our profit, ran. But now look at that pop today. That would have been even much larger profits. But there's no doubt this is going to 220. So, like I said, if you want to calculate a quick trade on it, you go to your option chain here. Watch this. Watch what we do. We click right-click. We go to columns. We're going to add our delta to it. And then we're going to show you how much you could expect to make on a trade if we enter into this trade. So let's put in Facebook here, because I might jump into this trade as well here. I like that setup. So if I wanted to get this week's expo, I mean, that's a little too close for me, don't you think? March 20th, let's say we go with the call. March 20th, let's say the 215 strike. That's going for $7.15. That's quite expensive. Let's see the 220. That's going for $4.60. That's even quite a bit. I like the 215 though. That's reasonable. So what I could do, I could get. So if I got 10 contracts, that's going to cost around $7,200. If I got 5 contracts, it's going to be a $3,500 trade. That's reasonable. That's not bad. 715 limit, buy to open. Now, first off, let's calculate what we're going to look for on this trade. So if we're entering the 215 strike call, they're going for a delta of 0.564. So 0.564, multiply that by our target resistance of 220. So that's another $3.50 climb. So 0.564, multiply that by 3.5, and that's $1.98 it's going to increase by. So 1.98 plus what it's going for right now, 7.12. That brings us up to 9.1. 9.1, divide that by 7.15. And we're looking for around a 27% gain if we get up to 220. And that's not bad. So we're already calculating, hey, we're going to be looking for a 25 to 30% quick gain on this swing trade. So that's what we want to do. I'm going to enter. I'm going to buy to open and place trade, and let's see if we get filled. We just got filled, and there we go. Already up 1% on the trade. And that's what we're going to be looking for with this trade. A quick 25 to 30%. And now that's going with the March 20th expo. Now if we went with the February 21st, watch the difference here. If we picked up the 215 strike call 310, delta of 0.627, 0.627, multiply that by 3.5, and that's 2.2. 2.2 plus what that's going for, 3.05, and then divide that by 3.05, and we're looking for about a 72% gain if we got this week's expo. So if we pick up this week's 215 strike call for 310 with a delta of 0.624 or 0.623, we're looking at about a 72% return if we jump into this trade and it gets up to that target resistance at 220. So that's another nice way to look at that if you wanted to get this week's expo. And then you know your stop already. Our Facebook trade's already up $100. Nice 3% gain. So that's what you're looking for, guys. Very simple, easy, and Facebook's at new highs of the day here, continuing to run, and we're already up another $100 on Facebook. There we go, now up $150 on Facebook now. I just made the $200 on Walmart. Now I'm up, $150 on Facebook. And if you just look for these setups, you could do this short little day trading here pretty quick. But we're looking and focusing in on those nice swing trades here, and Facebook's going to be a nice swing trade, in my opinion. Group bonds consolidating there, looking for a candle above 287. Visa still holding above resistance. That's great.
From Agora. That's SCEL.
Guys, please give this video a thumbs up here if you like this. We got 80 people watching, only 17 likes. Please give this video here on YouTube a thumbs up and share it on social media. I appreciate it.
WMT, Walmart says expect same-day pickup to expand to 500 locations.
That's good news for Walmart there if you just heard that.
WMT.
Let's see what WMT is doing here. Marco says Twitter's taking off. Let's take a look at Twitter quick.
SDC.
Ooh, Twitter's looking great.
Board of Dentistry closes investigation into
Smile Direct Club. What's that at now? 13.
Press release now from SDC, Sandy Delta Charlie. Smile Direct Club seeing call sweeps now in SDC. All for that news.
Just looking at some of the charts above here, guys. Google's still on the climb as well. Gold continues to climb. GOLD is at 1996 now. I was thinking about adding that for like the January 2021 expo after, because you know what happens to gold after the election or during the election. It rockets higher. So gold has already started taking off now. So I was thinking about adding, maybe putting 25 grand into it for now. Not sure. I could even get 25 grand worth of shares and then just do some covered calls, each month going into election. It's not a bad idea either. There goes the market continuing to climb here, guys. Visa's picking up. Square's picking up. There goes Square again. Eric Rancourt said Square pulling back at 9:52 this morning. I didn't respond to him because I knew that was just a brief little thing there, and we were going to head back higher, and here we go. Facebook trade up 4%, 120 bucks. There goes Facebook, new highs.
WMT, Walmart says expanding general merchandise assortment for same-day pickup and delivery. That's WMT, Walmart. Shares of Walmart off the highs, 118.35, up about 51 cents now for the day.
I'm going to have to upgrade the members.
Iran's oil ministry says
I'm going to have to upgrade the seats there. Wow, we're now up $200 on our Facebook trade. We're now up 7% on Facebook and continuing to climb here. Our Square trade is now up 9% for the day. Visa's taking off. We're now up $1,400 unrealized for the day. Let me share with you guys here and show you. First off, here is... There's the Facebook trade up 6%, 200 and well now she's up $240, continuing to climb. The account overall here, today's gain
74 versus 75 on the
$1,457.42. That's unrealized. Plus, we have $134.42 realized from our Walmart day trade we did this morning. Now Facebook's continuing to run. We're already up. Look at this trade here on Facebook. That was a nice little trade. And I mean, this is just a $3,600 trade, you know? $3,600, and within minutes you made $250. $250 on this Facebook trade. $134 on the Walmart trade. You know, most people, $400 a day, they're pretty happy, you know, and that's really simple. We just sat here and waited for the right opportunity. There goes Microsoft, now up 30% our Microsoft trade. We're now up $900 on our Microsoft trade. You know, I have to start thinking, do I want to take profits on that soon? You know, but it really looks like the market's going to continue to run here. All we need is that damn coronavirus to settle down, pull back, and get a vaccine for that. If we do, I think we're going to have a nice run. But like here, perfect example, that Facebook trade. If you're up almost $300 on a trade in 3 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever it's been, would you take your profit? You would? Really?
If it's that fast.
Yeah, I know. But
I mean, I've cut in half. Like,
I mean, she's at 217.25 right now, you know? So do you want to take it early or wait till you get to that 220 target resistance? You know? That's always my dilemma personally. It's like, you know, I just made a quick couple grand. Let me take that profit. And then, you know, the next few days when it continues to run, I'm like, damn, why did I take that profit? You know, everyone does it. But, you know, for me, it's just that patience and discipline. So, you know, I think I'm going to hold on to it a little bit. If not, I would probably take profits and then just re-enter into something for next week's expo. Because it looks like she's definitely going to get to that 220 really soon here. Mike Rinkovsky said Microsoft is taking off. Mike, is that a Russian name? I like that name. Let's see, Microsoft, MSFT. Let's take a look. Microsoft. Look at that chart on Microsoft here, Jay. Now tell me. What does that look like to you? Breaking out off of what?
Off the 10.
Off the 10. Now, where's the target resistance going to be on this? 190, right? From that big red candle? So, you know, we should easily get back up to that 190 on there.
MGI, MoneyGram, spiking to the
So that if I entered into Microsoft trade, that's what I would do. I would get my option chain. I would pull up my option chain here. I would type in MSFT. And then if I know that 190 is my target, you know, we have $3.20 move to there, right? So $3.20, let's do the February 28th just to give it a little extra time. We'd buy something like an ATM at the money. So we could either do the 187.50 or the 185. Let's see what the volume. Let's see the 187.50. So that's going for 271, right? 272. Now let me write this down because this is probably going to move quite a bit. So it's at 273 now. It has a delta 271. Okay, has delta 0.454, and then our expected move here is another $3.30. So 3.3, multiply that by 0.454. So that's going to be a $1.50 increase from 271. So 1.50 plus 2.71, and that equals 4.21. 4.21, we bought it at 271, so divide that by 2.71, and we're looking at a net profit of around 55.35%. So that's what we'd be looking at if we wanted to get into a Microsoft trade here and trade it up to 190. And that's easy, so, and that's a quick 55%. Our Facebook trade's now up $300. Up 9% on the Facebook trade. Do I want to take that profit, though? That's the question. Now we're up $350 on the Facebook trade. Continuing to run there, continuing to look great. So that's what I would do at Microsoft. Do I want to get into Microsoft? I have Microsoft already. I have the February 20th 185 strike calls. We picked this up on Friday because we saw it bouncing off the 10. You remember? We were talking about that on Friday if you go back to Friday's video. Now I'm saying here, if you wanted to add to Microsoft, this is the time when you would add to it. You're not adding if you got a candle below that 10. That would be the stupidest thing you could do, because that's showing that it might retrace then back down to the 20. So you would never want to add if you got a red candle today below that 10. But that's positive. It's climbing, continuing near the day's high. I think there's an easy way up to 189 to 190 for that this week. And now if you got this week's expo instead of February 28th, let's calculate this quick. So the 187.50, 187.50, multiply that by 0.431, 1.67. Okay, so if we're looking for another $3.20 climb, 3.2, multiply that by 0.431, and you're looking at a $1.38 increase. 1.38, it was $1.67, so 1.38 plus 1.67, and that's 3.05, and then 3.05, divide that by 1.67, and you're looking for around an 83% gain if you got this week's expo compared to that 55% gain if you got next week's expo. So that's kind of how you analyze options. You're telling yourself, okay, if I get this week's expo, I'm looking closer to an 80 to 90% return. If I get next week's expo, I'm going to be looking for around a 50 to maybe 60% return. So you're giving yourself an extra 30% possible going this week, but is it going to get there this week? And as you can see, Microsoft's continuing to run here, breaking higher at the new highs of the day. So nice trade setup. Our Microsoft trade's now up $1,100, up 35% that we got on Friday. Not bad. Now, if we got this week's expo, we'd be up a hell of a lot more on that trade. But I'm happy with where we're at. Let's see. Skyjack said AMAT. Let's take a quick look at AMAT here. Do you guys like when I go into detail and do those quick little lessons throughout the trading day, or do you just want me to look for trades and that's it? What do you think?
That's great.
Huh?
It's great.
What's great?
When you go over.
Oh, you like when I do that?
Of course.
See, for me, it's just time consuming and don't got time for that during the trading day. That's why I don't usually do it too often. We're now up $1,700 for the day. And that's so easy. You see, we're just sitting back here, relaxing, taking a look at the charts here, and nice quick profits. Microsoft, Square, Visa, Facebook. There goes Groupon again. Groupon's taking off. Nice climb on Groupon there. Okay, they must have just heard it now because everyone's saying, yes, lessons are great. Yes, we love it. Lessons are the key to success. I like the lessons. Tom said lessons. I guess they do like it as well. So, alrighty, we'll continue with those lessons then if you guys enjoy those. Now up $2,000 unrealized for the day and realized. That square is really breaking now. Let me pull that up here so you guys can take a look.
Saudi Energy Minister.
Dan, that's exactly what I was thinking. That lady, ain't nobody got time for that. It's funny. Jerry Stafford said she just sold her space, made $5,000. Nice job, Jerry. Well done on that. All right, maybe I had a little bit too much coffee this morning now, huh? Am I a little hyper today?
Not at all.
No?
No.
I feel like I have more energy. Maybe that was from the vitamin.
It's from making money.
From making money? All right, well. Only made $2,000 though. Let's see, Jerry, that was nice. Yes, Tyler, I'm already in Microsoft, but I like to add. Oh, let me get back to adding. Let me go back to adding more sheets here to this thingamajigabobber. Let's see. Guys, while I'm continuing to watch these trades here, Microsoft's now up 40%. Wow. Square is up $400 today, up 15%.
BCRX, Bravo Charlie Romeo X-Ray. Shares spiking.
What a nice climb today.
$0.97, BCRX.
Guys, I'm going to show you quick here. You guys were asking for a quick tutorial of the new site, so while we're just watching the markets climb here, counts up over 2,000 now. I wanted to show you guys a quick update here. Show you what the site's like and what you guys could do. Bring this down. Alrighty. I'm going to go over this with you guys in a second here. Alrighty, let me just see where it's at here on the screen.
Letter I and Telsat spiking now to the high. Letter I.
Letter I spiking. Alrighty, guys. So this is what I'm going to show you guys first. First off here is the new website, breakingchartalerts.com. Okay. First off, there's 3 types of memberships. Okay. You could go here. Let me see what it looks like. I'm already logged in. So join now. Here you go. So there's 3 types of memberships: rookie trader, trader, professional trader. Rookie trader is going to get you access to breaking charts and the newsletter. That's it. Trader is going to get you access to breaking charts, the live trade room, and the trade alerts. Okay, so you get access to all those there with the trader package. And you also get access to the trade challenge. I think so. Let's see, is that on there? The trade challenge tabs with the professional trader. So professional trader, you get access to everything. Trading challenge, live video. Let's take a look, and I'm going to show you guys quick what each of these do, because there's a lot of questions. So first off, I'm also going to have a graphic designer put in how to get started on top here above this, so you guys could see what we're doing. And then here's the live trading video you guys could click on for the day. This is live right now, already published. It's there. Live trading, and then here's live trading video, trade idea. So when you click on a trade idea, it's going to take you to a page, and you're going to see that chart, and then it's going to tell you a description about that trade, and then here's the actual trade alert. Buy to open the AbbVie 95 strike call at 2:30, and then tells you our target where we're going to take profits, and our stop. And then, you know, you could see it. And then also, if you wanted to comment or ask something, you could comment down here, and you guys could talk about it together as a community, a trader community. Alrighty, so there's that. And also what we're going to be doing is doing live videos on the breaking chart, like a little recap there, like a quick, hey, look at this chart type of thing. But going back now, so live trade room, this is what you guys see. I have it maxed at 50 seats right now, so we're right at the max, so that's why you see that there. You have the archive of all the live videos down here, and then the trade alerts tab. So these are official trade alerts that get sent out via email, and also if you sign up for our website and then you download our trading app, go to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, download Breaking Chart Alerts. And with that app, you're going to be able to get notifications right on your cell phone from the trading app of, hey, we just entered into Visa or whatever it is we're entering into. Here was the Walmart trade idea I gave you guys the other day on February 7th. Okay, and as you guys could see, Walmart was at, is at $3.14 a share right there. And we were picking up the buy to open the Walmart 116 strike for $2.85. Obviously, that's over 100% return if you got that right there. The 116 strike, $2.85. Your break even's 116 plus $2.85, so at $218.85, that's your break even. It got to $220 plus add in some time, some extrinsic value there to that option premium, and you're at nearly 100% return there. So nice setup there. Square, Visa's continuing to climb here. Facebook's continuing to run, looking great. We're up about 2,000 still. I'm looking up above the account there while we're trading. Kevin, the new site is up and running right now. I'm showing you guys it right now. So this is the Trade Alerts tab. So you have access to this if you're the trader membership. And then here's all the charts. They look great. You could see here's the Uber chart when we first got in February 7th, and you guys could see everything with that. Now, if we go to the live trading video and classes, this is what I just added to the site now. So we're going to have weekly classes. When we're live, it's going to be right here live. And then you can make it bigger. The live trading videos like we're doing right now, they're going to be on this website and for members of the professional trading package. Space is rocketing, they're saying. You in space still, Jay? So live trading videos, that's what's going to happen when we're live like we are now. It's going to be here, and then there's going to be an archive underneath. And as you can see, live has not yet, live sessions not there yet. Live trading videos will be an archive here. Classes, archive, live video.
Apple proxy advisory firm PRC.
All right, next trade challenge. Here's the trade challenge. You get access to this with a professional trader membership level. So take a look. Here's the position tracker. As you can see, here's all the trades that we've been in since we have started this website. And you could just keep scrolling down. They're all here every day. I have someone that's putting them in every day. And the nice thing about it here, you could see over here to the right, if you scroll over, here's our trade plan and notes for each of the trades. And then here's our target, here's our stop. So you could just go to this page each day, look at this, and then you already know what to look for. Like this, for example, here's Disney, trade on date, January 12th. Expo, February 21st, 148 strike call. This trade's down 100% right now. Disney had that big pullback. Take a look at, where's some of our space trades down here.
Parents reporting over the weekend that the Ontario Teachers Pension Plan more than doubled its stake in BlackBerry. Shares hitting a high of 621. That's BB.
He just has the one space, so maybe it's under the trade ideas. Here's trade ideas, the ones that I go over throughout the day. I don't know why he took our space trades off there. This is a trade idea, nothing's there though. But here's where our trade ideas are going to be, and they're going to look exactly like this. Here's February 13th, here's February 14th, and then here was today's already.
From 21 cents to 22.5 cents. That's PRGO.
What's that?
You haven't marked space on February 12th, right there.
Yeah, this was on February 13th we gave. I'm talking about the one going back to like December or January, the first one.
Oh, right.
But anyway, that's how this is going to look like. That's looking nice there. You guys could see exactly what we're doing, what dates. And then for the official position tracker here, here's the trades. And then, like I said, if you want to see the trade alerts, you could go to the trade alerts and see the pictures and the reasoning behind each of the trades, which is great. So first place to go, trade challenge. You can look at the positions there. We're going to be starting the trade challenge soon, by the way. Visa is now up $400 for the day, up 9% for the day. Visa is really breaking out here. So like I said, then if you want to come over here and take a look at each of those ideas, you click on it, and you get a really nice detailed explanation of that chart, the trade idea, and what we're looking for, like we do here. Visa 205 strike call for 292 for the February 21st expo. That's another golden trade right there on the trade idea. So if you guys aren't signed up yet, go to breakingchartalerts.com, sign up, click join now. If you want access to everything, you could do the professional trader monthly, $250 a month, or the professional trader $2,000 a year. But if you guys want, you guys could use this promo code LOYAL, for being a loyal TSE member, Santarelli Trading Exchange member. Use promo code LOYAL. It'll give you 30% off the lifetime of that membership. So instead of paying $250 a month, $250 times 0.7, you're paying $175 a month. And then if you sign up for the year, 2,000, multiply that by 0.7, you're only paying $1,400 for the year. You know, so you're having a large savings, and that only comes out to $116 a month if you sign up for the yearly for $1,400. So that's how that works. And guys, like I said, if you want, you could go to once you sign up on the website first, then you can go to the trading app or the app store and download the trading app. So he asked, what's the URL for it? It's www.breakingchartalerts.com. So www.breakingchartalerts.com, secure site, as you can see, and get signed up there, guys.
DELL, Dell Technologies, Symphony Technology Group enters definitive agreement with Dell Technologies to acquire RSA, deal for $2.075 billion. That's DELL, Delta Echo Lima Lima. Shares of Dell getting a little pop here, 52.78, 52.80 now on Dell, DELL, announcing the sale of RSA.
Let me see what that space is going at now. Space almost at 35 bucks. Wow. I gotta jump into space. I'm sorry, I gotta jump in. I'll get a leap on it. You know, there's no doubt. I feel this is going much higher.
Fuel Cell Energy getting a pop here to the high, $2.39. FCEL.
January 21st, 2022. I'll pick up the 35 strike. See if we can get it for 1380.
Report from Agora earlier on.
5 contracts. That's going to cost around 7,000. Place trade, and we're in. It only got 3 contracts so far for 4,100, 4,200. That's the Space January 21st, 2022. 35 strike call at $13.80. Already up 1% on it. You having a good day over there, Jay?
Absolutely.
You up nicely today? What's
Basis killing this.
yeah? Up a couple grand.
The space trade's up 90% for the day.
Unbelievable. There goes space again. Look at that. I'm up $200 now already on the space trade I just made. It's like, there goes Facebook again. Visa's really climbing, guys. Our trades are looking fantastic. You guys must be doing really well today. Let me hear in the chat there. How are you guys doing today? There goes space again. Wow. What a nice day today, guys. Already up over $2,000 realized and unrealized. We just got into the space trade. That's up $200, up 4% on that. We got the space January 21st, 2022, 35 strike call, paid $13.80 a contract for that. We also have the Facebook March 20th, 215 strike call, paid $7.13 for that, up 3.01%. And then plus our Walmart trade that we already locked in this morning. And then obviously our other trades. Visa's really ripping higher here. Square's climbing. Our Microsoft trade's already up 30%. And I'm looking for Microsoft to get to that, $190 to $200 level, which I think is really going to happen soon here. So really great day today, guys. And you're just sitting back and, watching the markets. Our space trade's now up $300, 6%. There goes space, new highs. I think just more people are jumping into those options as well here now too that I just got. Already up $240 on the space trade. Now up $320. We're now up 6% on the space trade. Up $400. Now up. Wow, look at that continuing to run there. I think people are just really buying into the options there. Up $400 on space. Looking good. Dentwork says he's green on everything. No, I'd rather go into earnings on that, Jorge. Nice run in this market, guys. Guys, 90 viewers, give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying the lessons and the live trades. Please do that for me. Don't be a hater.
FCEL, fuel cell, more highs now up 15%.
Fuel cell, I used to trade that. Did you ever trade that stock? Yeah, I traded that when it was like $1 or $2. Space is up 20% today. That's amazing. Don't you feel like that's going to continue to rip higher over the coming weeks? And she's at 35 now, You don't like talking much, do you?
Let's say about that. I mean, it's just keeps ripping higher. So I don't know. I don't know how.
What's your target on it?
I don't really have one.
No?
Just, yeah.
I think 50 to 100 is really realistic within the next couple of months. Market's pulling back a little bit here now, only up 1,400 for the day. Wow, 10:30 already. An hour, not even an hour into the day. And what were we up? 2 grand in what, like the first half hour?
Basically, yeah.
Wow, so every day we could just take an hour, take in that 2 grand, and be gone and done for the day.
Right.
I bet members would still be upset though. They'd be like, Dave, there's still more trading day left. Well, if you make 2 grand a day, aren't you happy though? Well, that's only what, like 10,000 a week. You know, it's only $500,000 a year.
So we could be making more.
Yeah, I guess we can. I guess we can be making more. Let's see. Jerry Stafford said she's doing great. Sold Lululemon, DT, Dollar Tree, Facebook, long calls, and space. Nice job on that, Jerry. She's doing fantastic. Let's see. What are the people in the trade room saying? Trade room. Let's see. Marla. Chris Glissman says, Dave, what was the space trade? I just stepped out and I missed it. The space trade was a January 21st, 2022 35 strike call at $1,380 contract. Up $150 on those now. Big pullback coming here. Now we're only up 800 for the day. And as you can see there with space in the general market, let's put up the diamond and the Qs here. We're probably going to see the same thing. So the diamond, we're getting our first, that's the 3-month daily. And there you go. There's BDM right there. So here was a consolidation box for diamond. Perfect consolidation box. Broke through that. Now we're heading lower. Let's see down below here. Any news?
S&P futures dropping here, 33.65.
And there you go. Now they just brought it up. Futures dropping. Dan W. said he would be stoked with 2 grand a day. Now we're back up 1,500 for the day. Gonna be a little choppy, I think, for the rest of the day here, but look at that. The diamond pulled right back down to the 10 though on the daily chart here. Do you think we're gonna climb now off that 10 for the rest of the week, or do you think we're gonna tomorrow? Do you think the diamond's gonna have the candle below here and we're gonna start into BDM? Because that's what you got to start thinking when you get down to that 10. You got to say, okay, what's the next step here? It's either one of two things. We're going to bounce off that 10, continue to run, or we're going to start BDM. And, you know, you don't want to wait a few days into BDM because those candles could be large and you could have quick setbacks there on those option contracts. So me personally, you know, if we have a red candle tomorrow, I'd probably exit out of my positions and look for something else. I think there's a few tech stocks that are still going to run and climb there, but easy way to, you know, have a clear vision and a trade plan and know what you're going to do there before it happens.
U.S. officials say Tuesday's move to sanction Rosneft trading SA is the first in a campaign, and there will be further steps.
And there goes space again, starting to climb. Yeah, Jorge, not bad there. Consolidation, 33.50 is support. There goes Facebook again, continuing to run. We're back up $2,000 for the day. That's what I mean there. You get that little pullback, like, you know, I went from up 2,000 to only up, you know, 1,100 at the high there. So that's a $900 pullback in the account in a quick, 5 minutes? And then what happens? You start to break out and you're at new highs and you're like, oh, thank you. You know, like you're relieved a bit. And that's why I always say, don't watch those, you know, 1 minute candles. You know, if you're in swing trades, look at the daily charts. You know, you should not be looking at a 1 minute, 1 day chart if you're swing trading, because that could really, you know, I mean, that could really take your discipline, throw it out the window, and really screw up your mentality of trading. You know, there's no question about that. It happens to me all the time if I'm looking at the 1 minute and I'm in a swing trade for 60 days out. Oh my God, look at this short little thing happening here in the 5 minutes, and then 5 minutes later, it's higher, you know? There we go. Nice climb. There goes Visa Square breaking out again. Microsoft's on the run. Space is continuing to climb there, and Facebook is waiting for that next breakout. Looking good.
BLPH now halted on a circuit breaker. BLPH, $7.59 at the high of 115%. That's BLPH halted now on a circuit breaker.
Disney's in breakdown moment, right?
Wow, look at space there. Back up 300 on the space trade. What'd you say? Disney?
Yeah.
Let's see. Disney. Wow, big BDM there on Disney. Especially today, 1 minute chart. Look at that break and lower. What's going on? Any news? Disney's definitely a BDM there. 135 she could drop down to.
Maybe it's related to the virus, like preemptively?
Probably, yeah. There's probably not too many people going to the theme parks anymore. Let's see. Jorge says, Dave, I'd love your insight on LK. What's that? That Luckin thing people are watching? I don't like Luckin. That's looking pretty good there, Jorge. I would wait for a candle, though, above like 40.35. You get a candle above 40.3, that's when you're looking to enter there, in my opinion. Above 40.30. Rachel Logan says Beyond's on a run again. Let's take a look at Beyond, BYND. That's looking nice there as well. Just getting up to that resistance, though, that we had there from months ago. If it could break through that resistance, that could have another nice run there, but looking good there. It's using that 20-day SMA as support, if you could see that on the daily chart, the 6-month daily. Facebook's continuing to run and break higher again.
LOCO, El Pollo Loco, popping to the high, 1455.
No problem, Jorge. Neil Muhammad says GNPX. Look at that quick. GNPX. Not one I know. Looks like it's retracing a little bit there. That was a nice run, though, it had from 20 cents all the way up to almost $6. I don't know what they do, but based looking on their chart, if I did do something with that, it'd be a longer term trade. Yeah, Luckin's bouncing off the 50 there pretty nicely. Starting to climb. I like the looks of LK. But like I said, I'd be looking for a candle above 40.3. Facebook is the nicest setup, though, I see. Easy 220 there.
LPH is open now after a circuit breaker halt. Bravo Lima Papa Hotel. Hitting new high 780 up 124% now on BLPH.
Facebook's still climbing there. Back up $150 on the Facebook trade.
And halted again now on a circuit breaker.
Halted.
Correction, that's EVLO halted on a circuit breaker. BLPH trading now 774 up the high of 798.
Do you guys have any stocks you want to take a look at? Any charts?
Relatively low volume on.
There goes Microsoft again. Remember we were up 40% on that before? Now we're only up 20%. So an extra $700 pulled back on Microsoft. You know. I'm really upset we're not getting that many likes. Only 54 likes with 90 viewers.
That's a shame.
It is a shame.
What's their holdout?
I don't know. They're getting something for free and they can't even like the video. But they're here every day. Give it a thumbs up. Let's see. Eric Rancourt says UGAZ. UGAZ. That might be a good time to pick it up now with what they just announced. Look at that candle. Look at where it was. Just a couple months ago, it was literally at $150. Now it's $48. $250 a few months earlier. I would wait until you get that 1020 cross. It's coming though. Look at that. MACD's there. 1020 cross is just about coming up. That's almost ready, Eric. You know, give that a couple of minutes. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it.
RKDA, Arcadia Biosciences, granted U.S. patent, wheat with increased resistant starch levels. That's Romeo Kilo Delta Alpha, Arcadia.
He said space is at 40. Did you see it? There goes space taking off again, though. Nice climb on space. Wow, we're up $500 on the space trade now. What's going on with space? Let's see. SPCE. Oh, there she goes. She's having a big run here. Look at that climb. Now up $600 on space. Up 150 on the Facebook trade. Up 200 on Facebook. Here we go, guys. Markets are breaking out again. Microsoft up 27% and climbing. Space up 6%. Nice climbs here, guys. Visa's continuing to break higher. Up $500 for the day. Up $100 unrealized total. There goes space again. Look at that big breakout in space. Space 35.30. There goes space 35.50. Big breakout on space again. Look at space running. Nice climb there. Wow, there she goes again. New highs. New highs. 35.40. Love these types of days. Back up over $2,500 now for the day. There comes that next round of buyers coming in with space. Now up 8% on the space trade. Space already broke 35 there, Jorge. I think we're going to see $40 by the end of the week, to be honest with you. We might see $50 by the end of the week, to be totally honest. I really think there's a good chance we could see $50 really soon. Micron call sweeps coming in. The 5750 for the April 17th Expo. RRL says, I'm tempted to pick up more space shares. RRL, what is your name? So I can stop saying RRL. There goes space again, 3560. She's rounding the bases, coming for 36. Look at our profits today. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Wow. Look at that space trade. We're now up almost $3,000 for the day. Visa. Guys, take a look at Visa. There goes space again. I'm now up $800 on the space trade we just made. All right, let's take a look at Visa quick here to the left. There goes space again, new highs. Wow. Now up $1,000 on space. Here I go.
GNC getting up hop here to the high on small volume. Golf November Charlie 225.
I just put in an order for space at $15.50. I'm up $3,000 for the day, guys, so if it fills, great. If not, oh well. I'll hold on to it and probably make much more tomorrow. 15.20. There you go, guys. It just sold. I just sold it 15.20. And I just locked in a massive profit on that of $829.06. Nice day already. Facebook, you know what? Not doing too much. Already up 210. Get rid of that one here too. There we go. We sold Facebook. Visa. Let's take a look at Visa quick here. The Visa chart. Space is pulling back. Perfect timing to lock those in. Visa's pulling back a little bit here. 6-month daily. Visa's really breaking out. I think she's going to go much higher here. So I'm probably going to hold on to Visa. It's been doing exactly what we've been saying it's going to do. But, you know, I got a lot of money in Visa, though. I'm tied up with about $5,400. So sell to close. 530. Let's see. There we go. That just sold as well. Logging in some profits, guys. Let's see Square. We got a little gain on Square. Let's see where we're at. Square looks like it's really going to break out big here and head for 85. So I'm going to hold on to Square. We have the March 20th Expo. That's fine with me. A Microsoft trade, we're up 26%. We were up 40% on that earlier. And we do have the February 28th Expo. Let's take a look at Microsoft quick before we end this live video. So if you're looking here at the Microsoft, here's the daily chart. I'm going to look for an exit right around 188, 189, which could be tomorrow. Nice day, nice profits. That was completed. Here we go. Let me show you. Total realized gain today, $1,193.36. Plus, we also have an unrealized gain of over $1,000 with Microsoft, Square, Groupon. So I'm going to keep those trades open here. Let me share with you guys quick on E-Trade the trades that are closed. That way you guys could take a look and see exactly what we did today. Let's see, what's today? February 18th to February 18th. And here is the trades that we did today. Here we go. So take a look here, guys. You could see right here. Total realized gain today, February 18th, 2020. Total gain realized. These are realized profits. $1,193.36. We did this all within an hour and a half of the day. Here's the opening transaction, price, date, closing transaction, date, and price. And then here's the realized gain or loss on each of the trades. As you can see, all of them were nice winners we locked in today. We locked in the Facebook. That was a small trade, $3,500 trade. We made a quick $200 on that. Our space trade, we just made about over $700 on. Visa trade, a quick $160. And the Walmart day trade we did today, that was a quick $130 some, $135, which I think was like 5 minutes. I just wanted to get out of that. Walmart's usually not a big mover, so you lock in gains along the way, and you see what types of days you have. You could always find, like, if I wanted to do this all day, I could literally sit here all day and do that. But for me, you need some kind of saneness, because it's intense looking at charts all day, So for me, that's what I like to do. I like to lock in quick gains along the way there. Our account's at new highs for the year again today, looking great. And I look forward to tomorrow's trading day, guys. If you guys have any questions, be in the trade room, and I could answer any questions. Let's see. Kevin Johnson says his space calls are up 300%, $7,500. I thought it was 3,000%. This first space trades we got in are definitely up over 3,000%. You know, I just wish I held those. Oh, man. But look at that. Space, another quick little profit there today. So, nice job, guys. And, guys, like I said, please, if you're not signed up, you're missing out. Go to www.breakingchartalerts.com and get yourself signed up there for the professional trader package so you could get access to the live trading videos, our classes, which are going to be weekly, the trade challenge, the trade alerts, the trading app, the emails, the text, the live trade room, and the videos, and all these awesome messages and alerts down here. So sign up, guys, and I will see you guys in the trade room. Take care, and I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I hope you enjoyed your weekend, guys. Alrighty, see you later, guys, and I will be in the trade room here. So if you have any questions, just feel free to ask. Bye-bye, guys. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please share it on social media. Show your friends what we did. We had a nice day. Nice day to start the week, right? How about you, Jay? Good day?
Definitely.
Definitely? Yes. Great. Alrighty, guys. I will see you guys in the trade room.
WHO briefing now. World Health Organization Chief Pedro says so far there are 92 cases and